Yellowstone National Park, 2045. A place where time seems to stand still, yet change is ever present. This iconic park, known for its breathtaking beauty and diverse ecosystems, has witnessed countless transformations over the millennia. But now, in the year 2045, it faces challenges and changes like never before. The heart of the American West beats with a different rhythm. The once predictable cycles of nature have shifted, creating a new symphony of life. The sounds of nature, once familiar, now carry an unfamiliar tune, a testament to the evolving landscape. This vast wilderness, a sanctuary for unique ecosystems and awe-inspiring landscapes, stands at a crossroads. The delicate balance that has sustained life here for centuries is now under threat. The ecosystems, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals, are adapting to the new realities of their environment. Climate change has left its mark, etching a story of transformation across the park's iconic features. Glaciers that once stood tall have receded, rivers have altered their courses, and new plant species have taken root where others have vanished. The landscape is a living testament to the relentless march of time and the power of nature to adapt and endure. The air is crisp, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth. Each breath is a reminder of the purity and fragility of this environment. The forests, with their towering trees and rich undergrowth, are a testament to the resilience of nature, even in the face of adversity. The silence is broken only by the gentle whisper of the wind through the lodgepole pines, a stark contrast to the rumbles of change beneath the surface. The wind carries stories of the past and whispers of the future, a constant reminder of the ever-changing nature of this wilderness. The familiar landmarks remain, yet a sense of anticipation hangs in the air, a subtle tension between the enduring power of nature and the unpredictable forces reshaping it. The geysers still erupt with their majestic force, the waterfalls cascade with timeless grace. But beneath the surface, the park is evolving. Visitors and wildlife alike sense this change, a silent acknowledgement of the delicate balance that holds this wilderness together. As we stand on the brink of an uncertain future, Yellowstone remains a symbol of nature's resilience and a reminder of the profound impact of our actions on the world around us. Gone are the predictable seasons of old. The once steady cadence of nature's cycles has been replaced by a new, unpredictable rhythm. Yellowstone now experiences weather extremes that challenge its inhabitants. Bison, elk, and other wildlife must navigate through deep snow and endure harsh conditions that test their survival skills. Thunderstorms unleash their fury, drenching the landscape with torrential rain. These storms, once rare, now occur with alarming frequency, transforming serene meadows into raging rivers. Winters bring heavier snowfall, blanketing the park in a pristine white silence. The deep snow creates a beautiful yet challenging environment for the park's inhabitants, who must find food and shelter in these harsh conditions. Summers are hotter and drier, the sun beating down relentlessly. The once lush and green valleys now turn into arid, cracked earth, making it difficult for plants and animals to thrive. The once predictable rhythm of nature has been disrupted. The balance that sustained Yellowstone's diverse ecosystem is now in flux, creating uncertainty for all who call this place home. Heat waves shimmer across the grasslands, pushing the resilience of even the hardiest plants to their limits. These extreme conditions force the flora and fauna to adapt quickly or face dire consequences. The changing climate is a stark reminder of the delicate balance that once existed and the urgent need to protect and preserve this natural wonder. The animals of Yellowstone face an uncertain future. The iconic bison, with their thick coats and powerful builds, struggle to adapt to the increasingly frequent heat waves. Food sources shift. Water becomes scarcer. The grizzly bear, a symbol of wilderness strength, finds its hunting grounds altered. The delicate balance of the ecosystem is disrupted, forcing predators and prey alike to navigate a landscape in flux. Beneath the surface, the Earth whispers of change. Yellowstone's geothermal features, a testament to the planet's raw power, have grown more active. Steam vents hiss and roar with increased intensity, while geysers erupt more frequently, spewing scalding water high into the air. Minor volcanic eruptions and earthquake swarms, once rare occurrences, are becoming increasingly common. The ground trembles, a stark reminder of the immense forces at work beneath our feet. Section 5. Guardians of the Land. Conservation in the face of change. Dedicated park rangers and scientists work tirelessly to protect this national treasure. They monitor wildlife populations, study the impacts of climate change, and implement conservation strategies to mitigate the damage. Their efforts are a testament to human ingenuity and the unwavering commitment to preserving this wilderness for future generations. The need for sustainability has reached even the most remote corners of the world. Yellowstone is now home to carefully integrated renewable energy infrastructure. Solar panels gleam in the sunlight, harnessing the power of the sun, while wind turbines stand tall on distant ridges, their blades slicing silently through the air. These sustainable practices are helping to power the park's operations, minimizing its environmental footprint. Despite the challenges, Yellowstone endures. The bison, though tested, continue to roam the grasslands, their calves a symbol of hope for the future. The geysers, erupting in a display of raw power, remind us of the Earth's enduring energy. Yellowstone, in its constant state of flux, embodies the resilience of nature, its ability to adapt and endure even in the face of adversity. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the landscape, Yellowstone is bathed in a warm, golden light. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, a breathtaking spectacle of nature's artistry. This breathtaking beauty is tinged with a sense of uncertainty. The future of this treasured wilderness remains uncertain, a delicate balance between preservation and the unpredictable forces of a changing world. Yellowstone National Park, a place of wonder and awe, is a testament to the raw beauty and power of nature. Spanning over 2.2 million acres, it is home to a diverse array of wildlife and geothermal features that captivate the imagination. From the iconic Old Faithful geyser to the vibrant Grand Prismatic Spring, Yellowstone offers a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past and its dynamic present. Yet, this natural wonder stands as a symbol of both the challenges and the resilience of our planet in the face of climate change. The melting ice, the regrowth of forests after devastating wildfires, and the ever-changing rivers remind us of the delicate balance that sustains life here. These changes are not just local, they are part of a global narrative that affects us all. Its future, like the future of our planet, depends on our actions today. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting conservation efforts, and fostering a deep connection with nature, we can make a difference. The efforts of volunteers planting trees, cleaning trails, and families exploring the park are small but significant steps towards a more sustainable future. And working together to combat climate change, we can create a ripple effect that extends far beyond the park's boundaries. Scientists measuring water levels, activists raising awareness, and communities coming together to discuss conservation are all part of a collective effort to protect this precious ecosystem. We can ensure that this natural treasure continues to inspire and captivate generations to come. Imagine children marveling at the wildlife, tourists capturing the beauty of geysers, and families camping under a starry sky, all experiencing the magic of Yellowstone. These moments create lasting memories and foster a sense of stewardship for the environment. Yellowstone's story is far from over. It is a living, breathing testament to the power of nature and the importance of our role in preserving it. The changing seasons, the movement of bison herds, and the breathtaking sunrises over the mountains are all chapters in this ongoing narrative. It is a story that we are all writing together. Each of us has a part to play in ensuring that Yellowstone remains a place of wonder and hope for future generations. By working together, we can protect this incredible legacy and create a brighter, more sustainable future for our planet.